Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another tutorial, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to add a mod menu to your Gorilla Tag copy. So first what you want to do is go to my Discord right here, download this, go back to your Unity, right click, import package, custom package, and then just import the mod panel. And then what you want to do once it's imported, drag it in like that, and then you want to right click, prefab, unpack completely, and then size it down a little bit like that. And then you want to angle it, so I'm just gonna do like -90. No, don't know what to do for this part. Wait, let me see what rotation this is, because I ain't got. So you just want to change that to 0, and then size it down a bit more, actually, like that big, maybe a bit bigger, like just like that, and then drag it like very near the gorilla hand, but make sure it's like past the arm a little bit, like that. Like, make sure it's not really touching the arm. So I've already set all this bit up for you, so yeah. And then you want to I'm gonna move it down like that, size it up a bit more, and then you want to move it back on the hand about that much, so about halfway. And then what you want to do is go to my Discord, yeah, download Banana OS menu button 1 script like that, import it into your project. But before you import it, yeah, you want to type in on here banana and make sure you don't already have it in, otherwise it'll give you compile errors. Like, I don't have it imported. Yeah, I don't think. Oh, I don't, so I'm gonna quickly import it, so I'll be right back. Alright, I've imported it. I'm sorry if you can hear my dog barking, but what you want to do is you want to do all of these, only these 5 mods. Then you want to set the layer to Gorilla Interactable, and then know this object only. And then what you want to do is you want to add component, banana, actually no, box collider. Then you want to put it on is trigger, and then add a component, banana OS menu button 1, press material, that just wants to be pressed, unpress material, that just wants to be on material, so that's this one for this, unless you already have a mod menu. And then what you want to do is for the button render, actually not yet, I won't do that yet. So objects to toggle, you want to open that, put your plus, and then open that, then toggle material, just do pressed again, and then original material, that just wants to be your material. And then what you want to do is you want to create an empty, name it mods, all caps, and then right click, create empty inside of there, and you want to name it your mod. So your first mod, Steam long arms, exactly how I do it. And then you want to add the Steam long arm script to it, but I don't have that yet for some reason, so let me import all the mods I need. Okay, so I've imported all of my mods. So what you want to do is inside of here you want to add your component, and then Steam long arm right here. Then target object, you want to change that to Gorilla Player, just like that, this one right here. And then you want to create empty again, name this one your second mod, so Quest long arms, just how I spell it. And then you want to add component, instead of doing Quest long arms you want to do really long arms, just like that. Target object, Gorilla Player, this one right here. And then if you don't already have the mods, go to my Discord, and inside of the mods thing, here it is, like all of these mods, and then go back to your Unity, and then you can import them all. If you get compile errors from importing them, make sure to search here to make sure you don't already have them imported. That's what will give you the compile errors. So create empty, then your next mod, Moses speed. Always do it exactly how I spell it. Then add component, Moses speed, and then right click, create empty, no tag freeze, just like that. Then add the component, no tag freeze. Then right click, create empty, short arms, always how I spell it. Then add the component. I don't even think I imported this one, so I'll bring it back again. Alright, add back. Now on short arms, you want to add component, short arm here, target object, just gorilla player, just like that. Boom. And then you are done. Actually, no, you're not done. So what you want to do is you want to turn all of these off, and now you're done with them mods. So go back to your mod menu, which is here. Go back to your mod. For the button renderer, you want to drag this on. For all of them, you want to do like the actual like name of these like things. So the actual buttons. If I can drag this one on, bro. Just like that. And then for the mods, so the game object, you want to type in Moses speed for the first one. Well, whatever mod it shows up for you. And next one for me, no tag freeze. It'll probably be the same for all of you as well. Then quest long arms, so just do quest long arms. Make sure it's the one with no spaces. That's why you have to do it like that. So I just did quest arms, and then short arms, and now Steam long arms, and then it should all be set up. But what you want to do is you want to search up in your hierarchy hand.l, just like that. Then drag in your mod menu on that. So hand.l is just there. So drag in your mod menu, turn off your mod menu, and then what you want to do is go back to how to add a mod menu, and I'm going to import 2 more things. Okay, so what you want to do, download these 2, just like that, and then what you want to do, go to your Unity, import them. So let me do that. Okay, so once you've imported them, you have to make sure this one's imported as an asset, this one's imported as a Unity package, because you'll get compile errors if you don't import both. And then once you've done that, you want to create an empty, name it open menu, exactly how I do it. You want to leave this one on though, and then you want to add component, open menu, and then make sure it's on whatever hand you set it to. I did mine on left hand, so mine will be set as the left hand here. And then open menu parent, just drag on your mod menu, and boom, you've added the mod menu to your Gorilla Tag copy. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and goodbye.